Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2020 Forester. The Subaru Forester is a sensible, practical, and affordable vehicle. It has an impressive, comfortable ride and handles well. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: all-wheel drive, brake assist, daytime running lights, four-wheel disc brakes, tires, front all season, tires, rear all season, variable speed, intermittent wipers, backup camera, smart device integration, keyless entry. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.